Introducing our electric pallet jack. Packed with features designed to elevate your warehouse operations to new heights. Experience effortless movement with our fully self-propelled electric pallet jack, eliminating the need for manual pushing. Take control with forward and reverse thumb controls, allowing for variable speed operation. Ensure safety with a built-in safety horn. Maneuver through narrow aisles effortlessly with a tight turning radius. Lift forks with the press of a button for seamless loading and unloading. Powered by a 24V DC drive and lift motor, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Control your speed with the speed control button, offering turtle modes. Stay safe with emergency reversing devices, ensuring safe operation. Drop forks with handle lever or by the foot pedal for added convenience. Capable of lifting up to 2,000 kilograms. Experience automatic braking with the release of the handle, providing instant stops for enhanced safety. Enjoy the convenience of portable lithium battery packs, offering easy and quick battery replacement. No installation required for the battery charger, simply plug into any standard 110V wall outlet.